Greetings, parents, and welcome to Mrs. Math Talks. I am Miss Archer. I set this YouTube channel up to be a great resource for both you and your child to see math concepts broken down in a way that supports learning outside the classroom. So, as mentioned in the message, to kick off this YouTube channel, I would love to have your input. So, if you could please take a quick moment to click the link in the bio so that you will be able to take the poll to see what you want to see from this channel most for the first series. Um, your feedback will help shape the content and best support both you and your students and me as well so that I can know what best suits you and your needs in this moment. After the poll is shut down, I will then put another link in the dojo to let you know when the first video will be live and what series was actually chosen from the poll. Thank you.